STEAM project, building a suspension bridge. You'll need these items: some straws, florist wire or pipe cleaner, card, masking tape, scissors, a small cup with some coins, string, some corrugated cardboard about 15 centimeters by 60 centimeters, a glue stick. Step 1. Fill a small lightweight cup with a few coins. Take florist wire to opposite sides of the cup. This will be used as a testing weight along different parts of the bridge deck. Step 2. Create the bridge deck. Cut a piece of card in half and put the pieces together lengthways, overlapping them by about 2.5 centimeters. Step 3. Stick one end of the deck about 2.5 centimeters from one end of the cardboard. Raise the middle of the deck up to about 7.5 centimeters above the cardboard. Stick the other end down. Step 4. Time to start building the towers. The towers are the parts that will actually support the weight that's placed on the bridge, so they have to be strong and stable. Start by taping 2 whole straws onto the cardboard near the corners of the deck. Cut and tape another short straw piece to connect the tops of the long straws. Step 5. Make your towers strong and stable by adding what are called trusses as shown. Step 6. Once you've discovered a successful design, copy it on the other side of the deck. Step 7. Create the main cable. Cut a piece of string to about 91 centimeters long and tape one end to the underside of the cardboard. Drape it over the top of your tower, and while pulling it taut, tape it to the middle of the deck. Drape the string over the other tower and tape the other side of the string to the underside of the cardboard. It should look something like this. Step 8. Repeat step 7 so that you have main cables on all 4 sides of your bridge. Step 9. Test the bridge's suspension. Place a weight in the middle of the bridge. The deck should hold up. But notice if you move the weight off to the side, the deck sags quite a bit. Step 10. To support the entire span of the bridge, you'll need to create suspension cables that connect the main cable to the deck. Start by folding and tightly pinching the florist wire around the main cable. Pinch tightly so that it grips onto the string and does not slide. Step 11. Repeat so that both sides of the bridge have a pair of suspension cables. Each time you add a pair of suspension cables, place the testing weight on the deck. Notice that the deck no longer sags as much. Step 12. Continue adding as many sets of suspension cables as you need. Ideally, you want a suspension bridge that can hold weight anywhere along the deck. Your finished suspension bridge should look something like this.